Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we'll show you how to fix the CPU overheating on your PC. So my friends, the very first things I have to tell you is that firstly, of course, you need to have an adequate cooling solution for your CPU, because if, for example, you're buying some powerful CPU and it has like a stock little cooler on it, well, you can expect overheating. And the other things, of course, are you have to also make sure to apply the thermal paste properly, right? Because some people are arguing how much of thermal paste you need to apply. You know, maybe you need more, maybe you need less. Well, I can tell you that too much thermal paste is not good, and too little also not good. So you have to just apply like sort of a golden medium, if I can say that. So that it's just enough, but it's not too little and it's not too much. So like a drop of it on top of your CPU. Then if you have like a tower cooler, just smash it on top of it. It's going to spread all over the surface of your CPU and it's all good. All right, so firstly, adequate cooling solution and adequately applying your thermal paste onto your CPU. This is the hardware level fixes for overheating. Now in terms of the software level fixes for this. Firstly, of course, the first thing that comes to my mind and will come to anyone's mind is if you have too many background processes or processes in general that are running, you need to close them, alright? So if you're playing games, some demanding games, and you feel like your CPU is overheating, you're touching your actual case and you can feel with your hand that it's overheating, it's like hot. That means that's either probably you've messed up something maybe in your BIOS settings, maybe you've overclocked your CPU, I don't know what you're doing with your computer. So you need to also think what you're doing, because if you're, for example, overclocking, you also need to understand that there has to be some very good cooling capacity for your CPU so that it doesn't overheat. So that's another thing, but that's also, it's a software level, but it's BIOS, right? It's a more advanced thing. But in general, guys, just make sure to open your task manager. And as you can see, my CPU is sitting at easy 6%. I'm recording with OBS, nothing else is running. It's just chilling. It's fine. It's barely loaded. So it's definitely not overheating at all, like right now. I'm going to even show you that. So there's this great piece of software called Hardware Info that monitors the entirety of your PC's temperature. Right, so here it is. So here is my CPU. As you can see, Ryzen 7, blah, blah, blah. As you can see, the temperature is extremely low. So it's 42 degrees, but I'm not doing anything. I'm almost idle. The only thing that I'm using now is OBS to record. And as you can see, the temperatures are extremely low. So you can also download this piece of software to monitor your CPU's temperature. But in general, the fixes and guidance and advices that I give you, they apply onto every single computer. Proper cooling solution, proper appliance of thermal paste, and not having the overabundance of background processes running. So these are the most essential things. And also I recommend undervolting your CPU so that it runs better and cooler. But if you want to know how to do that, we can either make a video about it. I know about all of this stuff. I'm experienced enough. You can request this video in the comments below if you want to see that. But in general, these are the fixes. Guys, thank you for watching. Very interesting topic to me as well. I was happy to talk to you about it. Hopefully you enjoyed. Press like and subscribe. See you in the next one.